Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in POF account. So if you also want to log in POF account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So POF or Plenty of Fish account allows the users to connect with other singles through its dating platform. It offers the features like dating games, live streaming and messaging. So if you also want to log into your POF account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in www.pof.com, press enter. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of POF. Over here you'll be able to find the options for sign in, help and register. If you do not have the account yet, simply click on the option register. After that, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you want to sign in to your existing POF account, simply click on the sign in option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface of POF. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. Over here what you have to do is enter your username and password. So simply click on the field of username. After that, what you have to do is enter your username over here. You can see over here I've already entered my username. Now after that, what you have to do is enter your password. Simply enter your password over here. If you've forgotten your password, click on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now after entering the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here on your screen. After that, you'll be logged into your POF account. So that is how you log in POF account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.